Hello, I am Kakade Ramesh Machindra from Artsu Technical Campus in MBA department. So today I will discuss next point. Subject name is service marketing and chapter name is Introduction to Service Marketing. What is meant by service marketing? Service marketing refer to the marketing of service as against tangible product. Service are inherently intangible or consumer simulated at the time of their production, cannot be stored, saved or resold once they have been used. Service offering are unique and cannot be repaid even by the same service provided. That is, service marketing means intangible service, intangible product. For example, lawyer, teacher, doctor, and hoteling service. That is service marketing. Service marketing typically refer to both business to consumer, means business to consumer, and business to business service. In include marketing of service like telecommunication service, financial service, all types of hospitality service, car rental service, air travel, healthcare service, and professional service, the range of the and expression of a marketing in development with the hope that will be the effective conveys the ideas to the desired population who receive it is in the short the gist of it, that is service marketing. So next point is importance of service marketing. What is meant by importance of service marketing? As service is an intangible product, its marketing become a difficult task. However, the marketing of such intangible service is extremely important in order to sustain the survival in the market. Following points are the listen to the explain the importance of service marketing. So, first one is a key differentiation. A key differentiation means most of the consumer consider most of the consumer consider are the service as in importance elements in order to judge the product or service. For example, Domino's Pizza Hut are known as sell similar product in the market. However, the service that the provided their consumer matter. That is the differentiation is the most important of the things are the not much difference in the product of the above mentioned two brands, such as times their service create in the impact of the customer mind. Hence, service defined in the key differentiation where company provided excellent customer service to retain their old customer and to attract now ones. Okay, so next point, importance of relationship. What is meant by importance of relationship? Means service in an intangible product, customer will be able to buy such service based on mutual trust and confidence is the seller. Hence, it is the importance for seller to maintain good relationship with the customer by listening to their needs properly of the delivering of the hence relationship is considered very important in service sector which will be help the seller retain loyal customer and also attract the new ones. That is importance of relationships. That is customer relationship like shopkeeper, wholesaler, retailer, distributor, agent, then customer. So next one is customer retention. What is done by customer retention? It's today highly competitive environment. It is very important to retain old customer than to attract new ones. This is become there are a lot of sellers trying to catch from the same pool of buyers. The seller must be convinced on the return of the customer of the fulfill their changing needs. They must promote feedback amongst the customer and must work on the given feedback in order to match up to their wants. Each way be to able to retain their loyal customer by the offering increase the satisfaction. Most important, customer satisfaction in the service marketing part. So next one is multiple touch point. What is meant by multiple touch point? Service sector does not the provided tangible service to the customer. Thus customer have to depend on intangible service like taking of the many people about the service before buying the same. This create a perception in the customer mind whatever to go ahead with the purchase or not. These multiple touch points are important to motivate the customer, the trust them the make the purchase. That is multiple touch point. So next one is service profile rate. What is meant by service profile rate? Since it is the challenges to market the intangible service to the customer, marketer should find various ways and means to market the product in the such way that it stand out from the rest of the crowd. They should be event service. Why to communicate in benefit the service to the customer in such language with the finely easy to reflect their needs and value. That is service profile rate. Next point is feedback improve in service. What is meant by feedback improves in service? Since it is the difficult to match up the marketing concept of the service sector with the needs of the customer, seller must work on the feedback given by the customer. This feedback of Guinness suggestion in the tips give by the customer and if the seller work one of the same, it will help him to match up with the changing needs and desire of the customer. Seller must collective with the habit in collecting regular feedback from the customer and working on the same. That is feedback improve the service. So next point, technology impact. What is meant by technology impact? Technology impact means being born of the service sector. People like people like to collect information on the service before actually purchasing them. Thus, internet play a very important role there of the flash. The report detail in the service to that the customer and directly visit the website for the detail and this will also prevent in the from taking of the many other people. Service seller must take full advantages of the growing technology and reach out of maximum customer with the required knowledge and quality. That is technology impact. So new idea generation is the most important. So day to day activity. Technology impact means in the current situation as will technology process in including that the online processing, internet, social media, that is technology impact. So time consuming process and customer satisfied is equally most important in the part. So thank you so much.